Hi and welcome to Treasurie. Today we're going to learn how to make the beautiful shell stitch. This makes a really warm and cozy fabric which is perfect for winter blankets. Let's get started. We will start by chaining a multiple of 6 plus 2. So I'm going to chain 20. Chains, as you may remember, yarn over and pull through. Just very simple, we need 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So there's our chain, a multiple of 6 plus 2, so you can make any length. We'll start with a single crochet row. So we're going to do the first single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Don't count the one on the hook, 1, 2. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. You've got 2 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's single crochet, and you just want to do that all the way along. This will give a nice solid base to your shell stitch. There's your first row, a simple single crochet row. For row 2, we're going to start to do some shells. So chain 1, that doesn't count as a stitch, and do a single crochet into the base of that chain. We're now going to skip 2, 1, 2, and 5 double crochet into that third stitch right there. So double crochet is yarn over, insert, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's the first double crochet, and we'll need 4 more all into that same stitch. So number 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5. That's our first shell complete. Skip 2 and single crochet into the next. So that's our first little pattern. You can see that the single crochet on either end brings down the shell to give it a really nice shape. So just repeat the pattern. Skip 2, 5 double crochet. One and 2 and number 3, halfway there, 4 and 5. So that's our second shell, and we need to secure it with a single crochet. So skip 2, single crochet. 2 lovely shells. This is just a short sample, so we're nearly at the end. So skip 2 and then another 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. And now we're up to our last stitch. Skip 2 and you'll have 1 left, and we're going to do a single crochet at the end. And there's our first lot of shells. Now for the next row, turn, and we're going to chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. That will count as a double crochet, and we're going to do 2 more double crochet into the base of that chain. So these 3 at the beginning actually counts as half a shell. We're now going to skip 2, 1, 2, which will bring us to right into the middle of the shell, and we're going to do a single crochet into the top of that third stitch. We're now going to skip 2 more, 1, 2, and you'll come to the top of the single crochet from the row below. We're going to do 5 double crochet into the top of that single crochet. So So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. If you have a look at that, you can see that they're all interlocked. We're now going to do a single crochet into the middle of the shell. So after a while you won't have to count skip 2, you'll just be able to eyeball and work out that that's the middle of the shell. So a single crochet. We've now got another valley. So if you find the single crochet, 5 double crochets into the single top. So 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5. So that's our next shell. Single crochet into the top middle of the shell. Now something to remember when you're doing the shell stitch, whatever you start with, you will finish with. So here we have 3 double crochet. The chain counts as the first double crochet, remember? And so we're going to end with 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. And that's actually our 3rd row, but that's the first row of our repeat. It's a 2-row repeat, so you're halfway there. So we're going to turn. Now we're alternating, so the row below you can see that we've finished here with a double crochet. That means we're going to start with a single crochet. Chain 1 to bring it up to height and do a single crochet into the base. We're now going to do our familiar pattern, 5 double crochet into the single crochet, so into the little valley there. That's 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5. Single crochet into the middle of the shell. Another valley. Going to do 5 double crochet into that single crochet. What are we up to? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Single crochet into the middle of the shell. We've got another valley here, so another single crochet. We're going to do the 5 double crochet again. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we're at the end, and if you remember last row, I said whatever you start with, you will finish. So this row started with a single crochet. We're going to end with a single crochet, and you'll do that just into the top of the turning chain. And that's it. That's your pattern. All you need to do is turn and repeat rows 3 and 4. So this one will be 3 chains and then 2 double crochet and then across, and then remember finish as you started, so you'll also end with 3 double crochet and just continue. Here's the blanket I've made. Here we've got some solid colour, and here I've alternated 1 row of each colour, so that gives you completely different looks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week.